Dear viewers, today we're going to show you how to make Thai curry paste vegan version. First of all, we got to toast our cumin and coriander. We need 2 parts of coriander and 1 part of cumin. We're going to toast it because we want to release the oil from the spices. The beautiful aroma comes to it. Now we're going to leave it to cool down for a while. Now we're going to put it in a blender and we're going to blend them. Viewers, for that what we need, we got it here. We got garlic, onion or shallot. Originally Thai people they use shallot. I got galangal, I got green chilli, lemongrass, kaffir lime leaf, we got fresh coriander. If you got the basil leaf, you can use basil leaf, is optional. If you have that, use it. If you haven't got it, not to worry. Originally when they make it, they use some shrimp paste with the green chili, Thai green curry paste. But we're not going to use it because we are doing it for a vegan version of that. Another episode we're going to show you how to make with the shrimp paste. Now we're going to blend all together. Coriander goes in, now the galangal, shallots, garlic, kaffir lime leaf, green chili. With the lemongrass, we're gonna chop this bit. You can use this bit to flavoring the stock. If you think they are a bit dry, use a little bit of water. Viewers, that's my beautiful Thai green curry paste. Now so if you want to make anything vegan or vegetarian, feel free to do that. Viewers, enjoy my beautiful Thai green curry paste.